አቶ ፍሳ እንግዲህ በኦቤን በኩል ባካሪ ሳኛን የሚያስታውስ የተዘጋጀ ስጦታ አለ። እንግዲህ እንመለከተዋለን። የመጀመሪያው እንደምታውቁት በሃሮ ወንጪ ያለውን የመናፈሻ ቦታ በክቡር ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትራችን ሀሳብ አነሳሽነት የተሰሩ ፕሮጀክቶች መካከል አንዱ ነው። ሁለተኛው ስጦታ
second gift. Hopefully you will love this one very much.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Wow.
That's nice.
You like it?
Thank you.
Sure. Sanya on your prime time.
Thank you so much.
We do have OBN, we do have Ethiopian flag here. Here you are. So we love you and thank you for coming here.
Thank you
Very
so
glad to
much.
have you.
Thank you. Honestly.
Thank you, Johnny.
It's so nice of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nice to have you. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to